stop scrolling. Your biological software is officially out of date. While you're living in 2026, your cells might still be stuck in the past. It's time to stop guessing and start programming your DNA for peak performance.
Do you feel like you're constantly running on a low battery? That's not just getting older, that's cellular static. Your body is trying to send repair signals, but the message is getting lost in the noise of a standard diet. Enter the upgrade. By using specific signaling molecules called peptides, we can bypass the noise and give your cells a direct reboot command. This is the cheat code for deep recovery and limitless energy. Don't just survive, outrun the clock. The future of human performance is here, and it's powered by brain logic. Click the link in my description to access the full protocol. Upgrade your biology today.